And the bell's ringing at church. See if it rings anymore. It sounded really pretty. It's swinging, so I don't know if it's a certain time the bell rings. So, but anyways. Here's church. Let's go inside and see if she's got some books. This is the reason why I came by here, and was to look today, because they have books they give out sometimes. This is the church. I'm late for somewhere. I gotta be, not late, but hello. I got a video thing on. I'm just looking for books. If you guys are giving out books today.
Yes.
You are giving out books.
The story? Which book?
Any kind of books that you guys are giving out, because I've seen you give out books before.
I don't know. I don't know.
What's the story?
The story is the book that we're going over right now in church.
Oh, but you give it out, or you don't?
No, we don't.
Oh. Is there any way, because I have this video thing going, that you could read a Bible verse for me?
I can.
Okay, it says, do you believe that God is one? Good for you. Hold on. The devils also believe and tremble in fear. And that's James 2:19. Tu creo Dios es bueno, es lo único, y bueno para ti, y diablo se asusta. And it goes, okay, read that one.
But, oh, here, let me see.
Faith.
But faith does save us. We are justified by faith. Romans 5:1.
Say it again so I can, let's pray too.
Okay.
Let's meditate. But faith does save us. What does it say?
But faith does save us. We are justified by faith.
We are justified by faith. Do you know how to say that in Spanish?
No,
Oh.
I don't.
Fe does guarda nosotros. Justification by fa. Faith. Creo en Dios. Justification. I don't know the word. I got to learn a little bit. If it is the faith that is alive, thus produce good works. That's how you know, right?
Yes.
So let's pray we have good works today. Okay. Anyways, I was hoping you had some books.
I don't. I'm sorry.
Have a nice day.
You too.
There's the welcome sign.